Good morning friends. Today we are going to discuss about greatest integer function. Greatest integer function or graph floor function. The word we have to remember here in to understand greatest integer function is floor function. It is represented by floor function, and this function is mainly used in exams called IIT JEE or GATE. We use greatest integer function. So the greatest integer function is nothing but the greatest and nearest integer value that is less than or equal to the specified value. Suppose it's give the specified value is 0.4. It is the nearest or less than. What is the less than value? Less than integer, least integer value is 0, that is 0. So automatically the GIF of 0.4 will be 0. So like example, if 0.1 0.4 is there, number is given, so the GIF of 0.4 is 0. So any number from 0 to 1, whatever decimal value, that is 0.5, 0.6, 0.1 or whatever it is, then it is 0 only. The value of greatest integer function of that number will be 0.5. In the same way for 2.9, 2 will be there. 2.6 we will be having 2, and for 0, that is from 0 to 1, x of this function will be given. From 0 to equal to will be there here. From here equal to will be there. Here you will be having equal to, and greater than, less than or equal to, and here will only have less than or greater than, or we will not have equal to here in this function, because even if it is 0, the number is 0, the greatest integer function of 0 will be 0, greatest integer function of 1 will be 1. For 0.7 it will be 0, for 1.8 it will be 1. So you see, in the same way for graphical representation it's a little bit difficult. So we have to understand here for graphically that from 0 to 1, less than 1, almost 1, then this will be here, this dotted function. From 1 to 2, the value will be this one. So this slightly dotted is for the representation of the number from which we are considering it, and here the dark dotted is we have to consider it as GIF. This is the GIF. Dark dot is GIF. It is the mark. Light dot is mark. So whenever this value is there here, we have to take this thing. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, and this minus. So this is the graphical representation of GIF, and this is how to understand what is GIF. It's very simple. Thank you.